This time we need all finalists in the 400-meter dash, finalists in the 400-meter dash. Need to start making your way towards the starting line. Finalists in the 400-meter dash need to start making your way towards the starting line. We also need to clear the infield. The infield needs to be cleared. If you are not running in the 400-meter dash, you need to be off the infield. Maryville, we need you to clear the infield. Clear the infield. There should be no one on the infield except finalists in the 400-meter dash. Once again, we're still checking in the finalists, checking in the 4x800-meter relays. As you check in, bring your relay card with you.
Attention coaches, the hospitality room is now open. The hospitality room is open for dinner. Please make sure you take your coaching credentials with you when you enter the hospitality room, otherwise they will not allow you to eat.
Needs to check in. Boys discus, flight 5. Check in.